In order to keep students actively engaged, we've made an app to display learning objects in whatever way the user feels most comfortable seeing. iPhones, Androids, PCs, Macs, Chromebooks, and even Oculus and HoloLens can all run the imaginX experience. I'm going to take you through each device and showcase a human anatomy model so you can see just how diverse our options are and how easy it is to use. Here, we're loading up the augmented reality view. This is one of the 3 ways you can view our content on your mobile device. You can place the model anywhere you want and look at it from multiple angles. The main advantage of using a mobile device is that you've always got handy access to our app. Now, let's take a look at what the same experience looks like on a computer. This works on any device that can open up a web browser, including Chromebooks and Macs. This view is especially helpful for teachers when they're presenting or for students when they're studying. Let's go ahead and move on to the Oculus. The Oculus Quest 2 is a virtual reality device that immerses the viewer in a completely different world. We use this technology to allow the viewer to block out all other distractions around them. This helps students to focus on each learning object and allows them to engage with the content at their own pace. As you saw, you can also place your head inside of some of our models to get a cross-sectional view of the inside without having to hit the Explore button. If you still want to see the world around you, you can always opt for our HoloLens instead. The HoloLens is a mixed reality device that we use to display learning objects in the world as if they were actually present. This final way of viewing our models allows students and teachers alike to still be able to see the world around them while they interact with the objects. This is probably my favorite way. So as you can see, it doesn't matter what platform you or your students choose to use, our content will be the same regardless of the device you use. Integrated our app with support for learning management systems. In our use case, Nathan Hale School is using Canvas. Here's a student logging in, and then they'll look at a jet engine. As you saw, the student logged into the app using Canvas and is now exploring the jet engine module. This integration can be applied to any learning management system. We've also made our teacher portal easy to use so they don't have to spend a lot of time setting up each class they have. When teachers log into the portal, their classes are synced up in real time. A teacher can easily log in, view each course they teach, and select what models they want their students to see. We also have predefined templates for each grade level that any teacher can easily apply to their class if they don't want to have to deal with going through every single model. That's what this menu will be for. When students log into the app, they will see a list of models that every teacher has enabled based on the classes that they're signed up for. This student has access to the engineering section and is now viewing the jet engine. Like before, they are able to view the engine, explore each of its pieces, and label every individual part.